Year 2. We're going to do one of our literacy lessons now for the week from our pack. So if you can either print off or draw 3 circles like this, we're going to do our zone of relevance. You might remember this from lessons that we've done before in Year 2. So we're going to have a little think about adjectives today. So see, can you remember what an adjective is? Hopefully you've remembered that it's a describing word. So you're going to have a go at coming up with some adjectives to describe the wolf in our story, the true story of the 3 little pigs. So think about what he's like as a character in this version. And then we're going to have a go at writing down our adjectives at the bottom. See how many good ones you can come up with. And then you're going to choose your most powerful adjective, the one you think describes him the best. You're going to put it in the middle and then you're going to work your way out. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So here is my zone of relevance, and at the bottom I'm going to write down some adjectives to describe the wolf. So the first one I was thinking is in our story, the true story of the 3 little pigs, he's actually quite a kind wolf. So I'm going to write that one down the bottom here. And the reason he's kind is because he's made a cake, or he's trying to make a cake for his granny. So I think that's a really kind thing to do. It's also quite thoughtful as well, so I think he's quite a thoughtful wolf in our story, which is a bit different to the other version of the 3 little pigs. And then I'm going to go for friendly, because he was trying to be friendly with some of the pigs in our story. And the last one I'm going to go for is, I think he was a little bit clumsy because he actually was sneezing quite a lot and he didn't mean to blow the house down, but because he was a bit clumsy, he managed to blow down the straw house and the stick house as well. So those are my 4 adjectives that I'm going to come up with to describe the wolf in our story. And then what you need to do is think about where they're going to go in your zone of relevance. So if you think it describes the wolf really well, you're going to put it in the middle. Then if you think, oh, it describes the wolf a bit better but not the best one, it will go in this one here. And then your least favourite can go in the outside one. So in the middle we want your most powerful adjective to describe the wolf. So I think I'm going to go for clumsy, because in our story he was really clumsy, because he managed to blow down the houses in the story when it was just an accident. So I'm going to have clumsy in there. Then I'm going to go for kind on my next one, because he was kind, trying to make her birthday cake for his granny. Then I think I'm going to go for thoughtful on my outside one. And I'm not sure how friendly he was, so I'm going to put that one right on the outside here. He was a little bit friendly in our story, but he did still eat those 2 first little pigs. So I can't say he was completely friendly. So that's my zone of relevance, and I've chosen my best one to go in the middle, so clumsy, and then I've worked my way out there. So see if you can have a go, come up with lots of different adjectives, see how many you can think of for your lesson.